Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm deciding to dye my hair. Okay, so I have like virgin hair. I haven't dyed my hair. It's been a really long time since I dyed my hair because the last time I dyed my hair, it completely like changed the texture of my hair, and then from that day on I told myself I was not gonna dye my hair anymore. But as time has been going on, okay, so basically I'm dyeing it because I don't want to have any more gray hairs. And what I've been doing for the last few years is just pulling them out. And so now it's gotten to the point, like the last time I just took time to sit and pull out my grays, it was like literally enough hair to make a wig. So it's gotten to the point to where I don't want to pull them out anymore because like if I pull out my grays again, like I'm gonna be bald. I feel like right now you can't see them, but like if I have my hair out, I don't know, it's just it's so mini. Anyway, I'm rambling on. So that's what I'm doing. I'm getting rid of the gray hairs. So the dye that I am going to be using, I got it from the vitamin shop. Okay, so I found out about this dye because I was looking up like hair dyes for natural hair, and I came across Sunkissed Alba's video, and she uses this dye called Nature Tint. Like she's very health conscious about like everything. So I definitely trust her, and I'm gonna just try this out. So I have literally 3 boxes of dye because I'd rather have more than enough than not enough. And honestly, I haven't dyed my hair in so long, I don't remember how much I actually would need. Okay, so all that said, I'm ready. I think, are you supposed to put like Vaseline around your head? Vaseline on skin when dyeing hair. Okay, yes. I'm just using this Equate petroleum jelly. Okay, so I have gel in my hair right now. So I'm gonna kind of just have to like try to gently like comb the gel out so I can. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my grays up close. Okay, all that white stuff that's like build up from the gel, but look at this. They're so freaking mini. So if I were to pull these out, I would be pulling out so much of my hair now. It's so much. Okay, so I'm gonna just try to just detangle my hair a little bit. I literally never detangle my hair whenever it's dry, but I want to make sure that like every strand is getting dyed. I think that's about as detangled as that's gonna get right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up so I can put the Vaseline around my... I feel like out of all the times I've dyed my hair, I've never done this before. But I don't want to be walking around, you know, looking crazy, so. I probably should section off my hair. So I'm gonna probably go ahead and do it in 4 sections. It's pretty detangled. I'm not worried about getting it 100%, but okay. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I'm just gonna do like 1 box at a time, just in case I don't need to use like all 3 boxes. Okay, so inside the box, it came with the color developer, like the black color, and then it came with this. So inside the little package comes with the color fixing shampoo, protective conditioner, and CC cream, which is leave-in conditioner, the instructions, and I'm sure there's probably gloves in here. Yeah. I feel like I'm probably for sure gonna use 2 boxes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the second box and get it mixed as well, so whenever I'm ready to go on, I can just do it all at once. So I just took the caps off of both of the bottles, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and pour that. You know what, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one right now. I'll just shake them at the same time. So I'm just gonna unscrew this cap. Just gonna shake them both. I'm wondering if I'm like gonna actually notice a difference, like notice that my hair is darker, or if it's still gonna look like this but just with like no grays. Because I feel like my hair is already like pretty dark, but I guess we'll see. I feel like it's gonna be just like super, is it jet black? The color is ebony black. And this is the darkest color they have. Okay, so I think it's time. It's like, I can't really see. I'm so excited to not have these freaking gray hairs anymore. Like, I'm sick of looking at them. So I'm starting up close, like to my roots, and then just getting it really well in there, and then just putting some on the ends and getting that. I didn't even think to put Vaseline on my neck. I feel like this is a disaster. And I'm just not up for it. Just like that, come my way. Oh no. There's literally hair dye all over my body, all over my bathroom. As long as I get that gray coverage, it'll be okay. Damn, my hair looks dark. It looks dark. Okay, so that's that side. And I'm basically gonna do the same thing to this side. I don't think I'm gonna go ahead and film it all because it's literally gonna be the same thing. So I can just do this real quick and I'll be back in a sec. Hi, I'm back. I'm feeling like I'm looking really cute. So this is my last section and I did open up the third box. This is taking longer than I thought actually, and then it's really messy as well. Like, you see my arm? You should see my floor and my walls. But we're gonna continue on. And just quickly try to finish up because I think I have to go. I really need to hurry up. So I went to the gym yesterday for the first time in 5 months. And honestly, when I start, okay, so I got my gym membership literally like 5 months ago. And I went probably like a week. Whenever I got it, like they were, you know, like the gym will call you and be like, hey, do you want like personal trainer or whatever? So I was just like, let me see what it's all about or whatever. So I got a personal trainer and I just feel like we just did not vibe. He did not care. He tried to kill me. So I was just like, no, I'm not doing this. I'm gonna do it my way. I'm gonna do it how I'm gonna do it. I'm not doing this anymore. Yeah, I ended up not going to the gym for 5 more months. And I canceled my trainings, but they're still trying to charge me every month. But anyway, so when I first started going back, I could barely walk without my legs getting like so tight. My calves would hurt so bad just trying to like walk a freaking mile. But I have plantar fasciitis and heel spurs, so my feet hurt really bad if I like walk too long. So I guess that's why I just haven't, like I'm not active. I don't know, whatever. This is an excuse. But so yeah, I went yesterday and I literally walked 2 miles. No problem. My feet didn't even hurt. So somehow, whatever I've been doing the last few months, I guess I've been a little bit more active. I don't know, but it wasn't that hard. Like I literally walked 2 miles. I thought it was like literally gonna kill me to even just do like 10 minutes walking quick, like walking fast on the treadmill. I do like 3.8 or something like that. So it's like speed walking, you know? Because I think like at 4, you're like kind of starting to do like a jog, like a light jog. So yeah, I don't know where that came from. I just thought about that. So I've been on this like little health kick or whatever, and I'm seeing results, honestly. But I'm gonna do a video about it because it's like really working. Y'all, I went to the freaking doctor yesterday and he was like, wow, you lost weight. And I was just like, yeah, I've just been feeling like I've just been in like a little funk or whatever. I haven't really just been wanting to eat. And he's like, well, whatever you're doing, you know, keep it up. And I'm like, I literally basically just told you I was depressed. So, but he's proud of my weight loss, so I'm just gonna keep it up. I'm finally almost done. I hope I'm getting every strand, at least like every gray. I need the gray coverage. I have hair dye on my freaking feet. I wanted to start selling pictures of my feet. Now I'm gonna have to wait. Bitch, I'm buzzing. So this shirt is gonna go in the trash. Oh my gosh, finally. Y'all, that took so... Okay, I think that's enough. Like, I'm literally trying to get every drop out. And I got as much as I could out. You know, I hope it doesn't change the texture of my hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it in a little bun. I'm gonna let that sit for 40 minutes and then I'll wash it out and I'll be back once I'm all done. Okay, so I'm finally done. I'm out of the shower. I washed and conditioned my hair with the products that came with the hair dye. And then all that I have left to do is I'm gonna use the leave-in conditioner. It's called a CC cream. So I'm gonna use this. I got most of the dye like off of, oh no. I still have dye like on my face. I kind of have some like right here, little like, ew. So I have, like, I'm kind of stained, but I haven't looked at my hair yet, so I'm excited. Once I got out of the shower, I just put the t-shirt on my hair and did my makeup, and then that's it. So I haven't seen my hair yet. I'm excited to see like how dark it is and how it looks without the grays. So, okay, I'm gonna, the conditioner, okay, so the shampoo was okay. It was like, it was kind of, it smelled really like natural. I don't know, like maybe like a Whole Foods would smell or something. I don't know. It just smelled really natural and it felt kind of drying. So I used the shampoo and then I went behind it and used my own shampoo. And then I used the conditioner that came with it. And thankfully I got like 3 boxes because it was actually enough conditioner for me to put all in my hair and detangle my hair with it. So I used all that. So now I'm gonna use these 3. I'm gonna cut these, I'm gonna cut them open and put them in my hair. Okay, so let's get the reveal. It stained my shirt. I feel like I can tell a difference. Obviously it's not major because my hair was already black, but I'm looking here and it looks pretty good. My hair is really soft, so I think it's okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this leave-in conditioner in. So I'm gonna split my hair in 2 sides, and then I'm just gonna cut these open. It's kind of runny. That's about half of it, so I'm gonna apply it to this side. It smells like, honestly, I don't know. It smells really like natural. This is just a spray bottle with water in it because my hair kind of dried a little bit and I want it to be a little wet so that way the product can be evenly distributed throughout my hair. And I'm just gonna use my Tangle Teaser just to brush it through. So my hair feels really soft. It doesn't feel like dried. It doesn't feel stripped or anything. So I'm really happy about that because I was kind of worried. I really didn't know how my hair was gonna react. Like right now, this is typically how my hair looks like out of the shower. My hair is soft. I don't think there was any damage or anything done to it. I'm glad I did find that that kind of dye because it's not as harsh as other dyes that I've used in the past. So okay, so I'm just gonna take the rest of it. So I'm just gonna leave this on my hair as a leave-in, and it made my hair really soft. I definitely 10 out of 10 would recommend this hair dye. My hair like had 100% gray coverage and there is no damage in my hair. Oh guys, this video is not sponsored, but if you guys were interested or like thinking about dyeing your hair, I would recommend this dye. I love it. My next video will probably be like a wash and go so you guys can really see my curl pattern once my hair is dried and everything. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.